Hello, this is my property. Just bought it, so house is a mess. Everything, all the paint and the flooring is from the 50s. So I am now getting ready to clean this place up, replace the floors, paint the house, get all the stuff off the roofs, fix the flooring and yardscape. Well, here we go. Okay. Here I will, let's do the outdoors first. Okay, here is my tool shed, which I guess the guy who was here before had like greenhouses everywhere. So none of these floors are finished. And that is my tool shed. This is something like an office. Just using it for storage. Whoa. So shelves. Nothing's insulated in here, so maybe in the future I'll get these get this insulated. Okay, a little in between workshop if working on something. Here's a little shelf I can work with. Holes up in the ceiling, so not watertight. A door that goes nowhere because it doesn't even shut all the way, like to the building. This is my little tractor room, machine room, keeping all my lawn tools. Has AC in here, so maybe, I don't know if he had animals in here or to keep them cool. Maybe plants again, since he was had a whole bunch of plants. And then back into this little barn is going to be my hobby shop. I might put in a floor, just a wooden floor. That would be cheaper than a cement floor, but there's just no floor in here right now. So that's what this is. No, not insulated, so. My backyard, it's 0.4 acres here, so lots of woods here. I want to see if I can maybe get some of these trees taken down, because if they fall, they're going to smash right on my house. But this goes back to a little tiny stream or canal. Not much water in there, so. Then there's another building back here. There's too much foliage right now, but right back over there, there's a small little shed there. Oh, I just noticed this, a birdhouse condominium. I have to fix some of the floor on my porch here, and then maybe later build a roofing system on here so it's covered. Looks like he had a swing set here. Maybe he had grandkids or something. I don't know, little gazebo, little overhead thingamajiggy there. Here's the water shut off. I've been intimately knowing for the last couple of days. Here's my AC unit that needs a new compressor. That's about $1,200. And the plumber that was here couldn't figure out that there's a whole bunch of water going through the system, and all the shutoff valves were here. But I just put on a shutoff valve right here, and the water was flowing freely for 4 days. So they cut all the pipes, whoever he did, or the people bought the house, or what, I don't know. But now I got the water shut off, but there is a little teeny tiny thing. It's streaming out water. I've tried doing the shutoff valve on the valve itself, but that's not, both of them are not totally shutting off. So I'm going to go get just a little hose to block up the water. So that'll be a cheap fix here. Don't quite know what this room was for. Just a little shed building. Maybe I can use it as a bunker if a tornado comes through, or a hurricane. Okay, going through my backyard here, the side yard. Here's where I want to make a half moon driveway. So I wanted to coming down this way. Oh no, I have another water leak. And let me see if I can turn this off here. Oh, good. Good fix. Okay. What is that? Oh, okay. So a half moon driveway. Coming around here, chop up some of this foliage, put in, dig out, and put a one of those drainage culverts there. Put it down, and then put dirt over it so I can make a drive-through driveway. I'm gonna have to paint the house. This house is from the 1950s. So looks like I got one coat of paint back done, and that's it. Okay. Here is my living room. It needs carpet, paint. Here's my tree. There is no over-the-air television signal out here. We're too far away from the city. Here is the room I'm going to use for my photo studio. Walking through. Kitchen is a mess. I started doing the wall. I need to do the edging up there. I need to put on new kickboards down there and down below there, and put on new flooring, which I just got right here. There's 2 boxes. I probably need maybe 2 or 3 more boxes. But the kitchen isn't all that big. It's I don't know, 20 feet long. I have the refrigerator over here for the moment, just so I can get to this wall, and then I'll push it back. They hooked up the water line. So far no ice just yet, so I don't know if it's broke. I have to check this line. I took out a 2 plug and put in a 3 plug here, but I have to see if it's working on both plugs or not. Otherwise they have to maybe have an electrician come out here and fix this. And I have no idea what this was. Maybe it was a whiteboard or something on there. So I'm gonna tear that down and paint this wall. Repaint the ceiling. They only did half the ceiling, so I'm gonna have to finish the ceiling. I had the fire department here. I could not, for the life of me, get this smoke detector down. But they came and replaced all 3 smoke detectors, both bedrooms and the hallway here. Bathroom needs to be updated. This is definitely from the 50s. Paint is all peeling off the wall. the bathroom. This is like a little big medicine cabinet. So this would be the linen closet. That one's okay. That's fine with all the shelves. Little tiny outdoor medicine cabinet. I don't know. Maybe I don't know what to put in there just yet. HVAC from the 50s probably. So here's bedroom 2. Looks like they had in both bedrooms they had these little boxes to put ACs in, so probably cover those up. Maybe use a tinfoil man, I don't know. Little tiny closet. More tinfoil. So paint these rooms. Paint the doors. The doors seem to be fine, they just need to be painted. So they came and replaced that one and that one. And here's the master bedroom. It's messy, messy, messy. Oh no, it's beeping still. Crap. Oh. These smoke detectors are hardwired and the battery was for the backup. So maybe this battery is just dead. They ran out of batteries, so they had to look. So here's another AC unit. Closet 2, closet 1. And then goes back into the living room here. Here's the couch I just bought. Looks okay. $90. I got a couch. Okay, put in some new light bulbs. So I have some light in the living room. Kitchen. I need an island here. So I have stuff to place things. But this will be my photography room right here. This is my office. So here's my military desk. My vinyl cutting. 3 printers. Whole bunch of stuff I have to put away. Printing t-shirts. People pay me, make sure they are not paying with counterfeit money. The hot water tank seems new. I had the plumber yesterday put in a new water valve because they just cut it off and the water is gushing out of there. But they put in this little toilet and little sink here. But I definitely want to probably demolish this in the bathroom to make it a nice big kind of nice type of bathroom. All these porches in the back were all added after this house. So this was the planter's window or something, the bay window. You could put plants and stuff, but now it's a porch out here. So, but it still gets light. What else here? Probably the old telephone network, which I don't use. This is the porch. I have to do some cleaning here. Pine needles, fire starter galore out here. I'm gonna have to, I got the equipment, I have to change the plug there to make sure it's a CFI plug that goes against the water. Replace this there, it has holes in there. And put runners when it rains on, this is plywood down here on these ramps, but when it rains it's all slimy, so I have to fix this handrail here. It's all wobbly. And the only other thing I have to fix is this crack in the window and siding on the back so the animals can't get underneath the house. And a crack right there. But then I have I guess this is a rose bush. So that's gonna be kind of nice when summer comes and roses come back in bloom. I'm not sure what this tank is. So I don't know. It's over here for now. I had to cut that down, this plant here, because you couldn't see coming out of the driveway. You almost had to go all the way out into the road to see if you can turn left or right out of the driveway. But there's my house. Right next door over here, there's one couple residents over there, but right over here is a park. And right over there where that little white building, there's a fire department right like kind of behind those trees over there. So if my house starts on fire, they only have like 500 yards to go. But you know, no building over here, so quiet on this side. And the guy on the other side of me, he has a couple dogs. They're mostly quiet unless an animal or somebody's walking by, then they start barking. But that is my house. And I'll take you on the journey of pictures of me fixing this place up. I probably want to get a nice front decorative thing here in front of the house. So like white rock with some plants coming out of it or something. I have to figure that out later. That's way down the line. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's grapes or something here. Couldn't tell you. So I will see what happens this spring, what grows. But that's it for now.